Hello guys, today I'm going to create one small project by using OpenAI API. So here you need to create this API. So you need to go and search OpenAI API key. Okay, so here OpenAI API key, click on this link, and after that you need to create new secret key. Okay, so after that you need to click on this. Okay, so here you give any name and it's the default project, and here you can create your OpenAI API key. So now you can copy it, and now you can keep it in your env file. Okay, so here you can keep in your env files. Okay, and now you can click on done. Okay, so this is the paid API key. Okay, so you need to buy it from OpenAPI, and I got my OpenAPI. Now I am moving in my code. So here this is the file I have created. So here we can create one variable OpenAPI key. Okay, so I have OpenAI API key, and I also have Hugging Face token. So if you don't know, I will show you how do you get Hugging Face token. Hugging Face token. So here user access token. Okay, so here you can create your Hugging Face token. Here you can click on access token tab and then create new token. Okay, click here and give the token name. Okay, so here you can create your token, this one, create token, and you can keep it in your .env file. So that's it. Okay, and after that I need LangChain API key. So where should I get it? So here you can search LangChain API key, and this will provided by LangSmith. So here we need to go on LangSmith page. Here you need to sign up. So here you can get your API key, this one. Okay, here you need to create API key. Okay, so here you provide description of API key like AI project. Okay, so you can choose personal access token or secret key. So here you can create your API key and then copy and paste here inside this in.env file. Okay, so here this is the LangChain tracing v2 equals to true, that we get all the information what we are going to search. Okay, what we are going to search in our code or in our tool. So here you get the information. So I have created this one. I need to go back. Okay. So here you can see this is my AI for AI project. So here I also have AI projects. Okay, this will automatically create. Okay, if I am clicking on this, you can see all the detail, what you are going to search or what you are going to, where do you get error. So you can see I have searched what is API. Okay, and you can click on this. So this is the input. What is AI? This is the input. I mean it's question, and this is the output. Okay, so we can also track here all the detail what we are going to search in model uh, from web or API. So here you can see I have already searched what is picture, then you got the information here. Okay, so now I'm going to back here. So here okay, so here getting start with the LangChain and OpenAI. Okay, so in this we will see how to get set up with the LangChain, LangSmith and LangServe. Okay, so I have already show you LangChain, LangSmith, and I'm not showing you this LangServe. I will explain you it after some time. Okay, so use the most basic and common component of LangChain: prompt template, model, and output parser. Okay, build a simple application with the LangChain, trace your application with LangSmith, serve your application with LangServe. Okay, so I have used it later. So here you can see these are the API that I extract, that I load from env files, OpenAPI and LangChain API keys. Okay, so this is the LangChain tracing, and this is the LangChain project. Okay, and here you can see LangChain API key authentication for LangSmith server. Okay, so LangChain tracing v2 enable detailed logging tracing of LLM calls. Okay, and LangChain project specifies which LangSmith project to log to. Here we are going to retrieve OpenAPI key from .env file. So here I am going to create LLM. This is the object of chat model, chat OpenAI. Okay, and here I am going to pass my model. Okay, and print LLM. So this will give a result like this. Okay, so from LangChain OpenAI, I am going to import chat OpenAI. And here import and get response from LLM. Okay, so here I'm going to create another variable result. Here I'm going to invoke LLM dot invoke what is generative AI. Here this will give answer. Okay, so print result, then our answer is this one, content equals to generative AI uh, and its content. Okay, and after that we need to create a chat prompt template. Okay, for chat prompt template in which I think I need to, what is chat prompt template? Chat prompt template. So chat prompt template facilitate the creation of prompt specifically designed for chat-based large language model, unlike prompt template which handle a single string. Okay, chat prompt template manage a list of message. Okay, so it will manage a list of messages allowing for the construction of the conversational prompt with different roles: system, human, AI, and tool. So we need to, we can give the prompt like for system, human, AI, tools, etc. So message based structure, it represents the sequence of the messages with a defined role. Okay, So we can use like this from LangChain core dot prompt import prompt template. Okay, so template equals to chat prompt template, and now we can instruct a system that you are a helpful AI assistant, and name, this is the input variable for name, and this is the human prompt that tell my name is username, and this is the input, and how are you. Okay, hello my name is, and this is the input, hello, how are you. So I can say hello my name is Nidhi and how are you. Okay, then this is the AI doing well, thank you, I'm doing well, thank you, how can I assist you today. Okay, so these are the messages, system message, human message, AI message, and human message. Okay, so that we can create our prompt particularly, and here we are going to invoke a template. Okay, so they can use, I mean they are going to use assistant name Gemini, username alias, and user query. Can you tell me about the prompt template in LangChain. Okay, so here you can print prompt value dot message. Okay, so this will generate answer. So here this is the prompt. Okay, so from LangChain co underscore core dot prompt import chat prompt template. Okay, so prompt equals to chat prompt template dot from message. Okay, so we have different messages like system message, user message, AI message. Okay, so this is the input. Like you, if you ask the I mean some query from system, that this system will understand that um, system is an AI expert engineer and provide answer based on the question. Okay, so this will I mean system will give you a proper answer based on the as a AI engineer, based on AI, and based and like an expert in AI engineer. Okay, so here I'm going to print prompt. So these are the prompt. Okay, this is the input variable, this is the message. Okay, this is the template. Now this is the chain. What is the chain? In chain we can connect elements. Here we are going chaining by using chain very well, prompt, and we have pipe operator here. This is the pipe operator. So prompt, pipe operator, LLM. So we are going to combine these two and create a chain. So this is called a chain. We are connecting or combining two things or three things. Okay, so response equal to 10 dot invoke. So we get output here from this chain. So input, can you tell me about langsmith. Okay, so this will print response. So here you can see this is the response. Okay, and type response means this give a objects of response. Okay, and after that outer output parser is a simple but powerful LangChain component that convert AI model response into a plain string. Okay, so that's why we need to use string output parser, because we want to output in a plain string. Okay, so here you can see from LangChain core dot output parser import str output parser. Okay, so here output parser equals to str output parser, and here I'm creating again chain by chaining prompt, pipe operator, LLM, again pipe operator, and here you can see output parser. So response equals to chain dot invoke. Can you tell me about langsmith? Then print response. This will generate the answer like this, and this is the answer. Okay guys, so this is the basic of OpenAI API. Okay, and then you can search, you can see on the dashboard of langsmith. Okay, here you can track your result, what are you going to search or not. Okay, after running the model you get everything here, logging and errors, whatever you search, you can see here. Okay, here you can see retrieval chain. Okay, okay, and you can see runnable sequence. Okay guys, bye bye, see you in next video.